Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can turn off stolen device protection from your Apple iPhone without Face ID. So first off, if you want to turn it off, you just have to go to settings, then tap Face ID and passcode, and then enter your device passcode. After that, tap stolen device protection, then turn stolen device protection on and off. So this option here, right? But if you want to turn off, if you'd like your iPhone to enforce the additional stolen device protection security measure, regardless of its location, you can adjust this. So this is how you turn it off without Face ID. So you have to go to settings, Face ID or Touch ID and passcode, stolen device protection, and choose always under require security delay. So instead of choosing always, you want to pick the opposite. So when you choose this option, update to certain security settings always require a delay and actions that requires parametric authentication, always require Face ID or Touch ID with no passcode alternative. So under this option here, you want to choose the opposite so that you can turn it off without Face ID.